In this video, we will discuss about the message box, message, and the label differences between these three. And first, we will see message means here message is similar, maximally similar to the label, and only the differences will be the bitmap and the aspect. Here in the label we'll use images, but here we'll use bitmap, and then aspect will be the new thing here for the message. And now we will see one example in Python, and this is the main basic module for Tickner. And now we'll message of R should be the root word, and then we'll take background as red, and then text equal to my name. And now we need to pack it dot pack, and then now run the program, run the module, and here you can see the output, that is Koneti Naga Dinesh Reddy. If you want this in the same line, we need to increase the aspect ratio. Now we will show it. Here the aspect ratio by the default it will take it as 150. Default is 150. Now we'll take aspect as 200, and now we'll run it. Here you can see the name has been changed. Initially it was formed in 3 lines, but now it is in 2 lines only. And if you increase more, it will form in only 1 line. Now we'll take 300. Here we increase 300, but the size is not changed. Now we'll increase to 500. Now definitely it will form in only 1 line. And now here you can see, if we try this in the label means it will directly form like this. Label means it will form only in 1 line. If you have any doubt about that, now we'll check it. We'll invisible that line and make it label of R comma background equal to red, comma text equal to now we'll run the program. Sorry, we need to pack it dot pack. Now run the program, and now here you can see this is we got when the aspect is 500, but now it is came in 1 line. That is the main difference between the label and the message. And now we will discuss about the message box now. And now here this is the message box. For message box we need to import one function, that is from Tickner import message box. We need to use this. Now I will type here from Tickner import message box, and then here we can give the message box. And before trying that, first we need to see the syntax. Here is the syntax, message box dot function name. Here in place of function name we will use this thing, that is show info, show warning, show error, show ask question, ask OK cancel, ask yes no, ask, retry, cancel. Here show info means one logo will be formed and these three will form error, logo and all. Ask question means here it will type any question like that. It will ask yes or no. Here it will give one two options, that is okay or cancel, and here yes or no, and retry or cancel. And then here title means that message box title will be given and what message we need to give, and then options, that is background and all. And here this is one of the example, and here I have used that show info, so it came like that. This is the info symbol and this is the message where we will type, we will get the output, and this is the option, and here title will be given. And if you want that what value, if we press here ask open okay or cancel means, if we press OK, it will take it as true. Cancel means it will take it as false. Now we'll see with some example. For using this, we need to use button, then only we'll get it accurately. Now we'll type a button or comma text equal to info comma command equal to, we'll assume a value d. Now we'll define the function d. The function d, we will use message box, that is message box dot show info, and then here we need to give title, and then one message we will take it as Dinesh, and we will take some of the options not needed. And now we'll run the, for message box we don't want to pack that, but for button should pack. And now here this is only one button will be represented, and if you press this, the output will be shown like this, title and then message we have given Dinesh. If we press OK, if you want what is going when we press OK or not, we should use a variable, that is r equal to some message box. After completion we will print that, print of r. And now we will use different types, that is show warning and all. Warning is similar to error. Now we will type any1, run the module, and this is the info. When we press this button, here it shows like that, Dinesh error. If we press OK, then it will print true. OK. And now we will see for the question, ask a question, and then run the program. When we press this, here it will show yes or no. Now I will press yes, then it will take it as yes. If I press no, then it will print as no. The true and false will be given when OK or cancel. These three will give true or false. I will run the module, info, and here is the output. When we press yes, true, and when we press no, false. For these three only it will give Boolean expression, And for these four, what value we given means it will be printed like that only. Okay friends, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.